You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. Sanskrit Indian name. If you want to learn more confusing names from Sanskrit, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Sanvika is the Indian pronunciation. Sanvi means goddess or sacred, and ka is a suffix often used to connote endearment or smallness. How to pronounce Sanvika. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.